Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So now I'm going to show you how to connect Firebase to Visual Studio Code project. So this is my last project which I created. As you can see, um, in app.html we have this code. So this is the inbuilt code. So as soon as we create this project, any project here at the app component.html, you will get this code. So I'll show you what's this code. I mean, what is the output of this code. Just open the new terminal and give ng space s. Okay, now we are getting this error outside a workspace. This is because you are in this folder, but you are not inside the project. Our project name is demo, but you are outside the project. So for moving inside the project, you have to type as cd space and your project name. Type as it is and press enter. Now you are inside the project. See, you got project name here. Now we have to give us ng space s and enter. Now it starts running. Okay, we got the link here, the URL. It is running in localhost 4200 port, and we'll just copy, move to the Google and paste our link here. Press enter. See, this is the this is the code which is in app component HTML. So we don't need this actually. We will generate another code here. So I'll just remove this and all. And but I need this router outlet. This command I need. So I'll just copy it and I'll remove rest all the code and I'll paste that router outlet here. See, it changes here as soon as I remove this. So I'll show you. Now we got the empty page because we removed everything in that HTML page. Now what we have to do is that for connecting Firebase to Visual Studio project, we have to first go to our Firebase and we have to add a project. So I'll give the project name as demo itself. Yes, then continue. Then click on continue. Here you have to give your you have to select the default account, then create project. Our project is getting generated here. Okay, now it's ready. Click on continue. Now we have created the project, but inside the project we have to create an app now. So there are three options here like Android, iOS, and web. So this is a web app we are generating. So I'll click on web and give a name for my web app. I'll give the name as demo itself because I'll not get confused later. So I'll give it as demo itself and then click on this Firebase hosting. I'll show about this Firebase hosting in my next video. So just you click here and then register your app. Then we'll type all these command in our Visual Studio Code later. Just click next, and then yeah, continue to console. See, our app has been generated now. So this is enough here. We'll go to our Visual Studio and then for for stopping this, I mean for terminating this, you have to just click Control plus C. Now we'll get a new line here. So what we have to do is that You have to first install the Firebase. npm I for install and Firebase. Press enter. Now the Firebase will get installed. Yes, it's done. Now you have to give as ng add at angular slash fire. That is, you're adding your Firebase to your Angular project. Now press enter. It's installing some packages. Let's wait. Yeah, now you have to select what all you need. In Firebase, you have options for authentication, file store, database storage, and cloud messaging and all. So for timing, I'll just select only authentication and fire store. For selecting, you have to use your arrow keys and space bar for selecting. For space bar and then move down and again space. Then press enter. Now these three tools will get installed in our Angular project. Okay, it's asking for my mail ID. I'll just press enter. Now see, our demo project is been visible here. So just click enter. This is our hosting site what we gave there. So just press enter. Okay, this is our app which we created inside our demo project. Then enter. Okay, now it's showing that environments file does not exist. See, in some systems, like when we create our project, the environments file directly gets installed here. But for some, it won't get installed here, so that we have to generate it externally. So what I'll do is that I'll just go for source and I'll create a new folder here. I'll give the folder name as environments and press enter. Then inside the environments, I'll create two files. One file is environment.ts TypeScript file, and the for other file, I'll just click on environments and a new file. For other file, I'll give environment.prod, that is production.ts. Then enter. Now, now you have to go to this environment.ts file and just type here as export const environment is equal to open the flower bracket, then give your production as false because this is not your production file. Then what you do is that you just copy all this, go to your environment prod.ts file, then paste here, and for production you have to give it as true because this is your production file. Then yes, everything is set. Now we have to again run that ng add command. Ng add at angular slash fire. Give enter. Now this all packages will get installed once again, so it won't take much time now. Yes, done. Now we have to again select. I'll select authentication and Firestore. Enter. Yes, enter. And we have to select our project demo. And then this is our hosting site. Enter. This is our app inside our project demo. Enter. And then see. Now if you open this environment.ts, now you can see that This all like app key, storage bucket, app ID has been generated here. You can directly get that here by go to your project settings, and if you come down you have all these options. In this you just click on config. See here you will have all this, so you can copy from here and paste it here. But instead of that, if you install it, like if you add your Firebase to your Angular project, that would be quite simple for you. It get automatically generated here, and other packages will also be installed automatically, so you can move ahead in your project later. So this is how I connected my Firebase to Angular project. This is very simple. Follow all these steps carefully before adding your Firebase to Angular. Please generate this environments folder as well, and all these files inside that. So that would be quite easy to connect both Firebase and Angular project. Okay, then thank you. So this is very simple. Follow all these steps. You'll get it. Thank you.